All right, now that you've learned the grooves, we're gonna go into the rolls, okay? All right, check it. Head rolls. This one is really, really simple. All you gotta do is roll your head round like this. I could do it around the world, you know, like do a circle. And then go the other way. Just like that, okay? And then we're gonna do the chest rolls, which is just like round like that. Round like that, you know, and round, chest. So you gotta do is stick out your chest and take it back, round. Same thing with the hips, yeah, like round like this. Whoa. See that? Reverse it, yeah. And that, if you notice, it affects your ankles and your knees, okay? The knee, it's like a small roll, like half a roll of the knee, like this, to the side. Like that, to the side, come center. To the side, come center. Both knees, come center. Yeah, side, come center. So all together, it should look like this. Yeah? That looks a bit strange, but try it again, like this. All right, guys, I want you guys to practice just the head, like this. Other side. Sometimes some people are good on one side and not good on the other side. It's okay, it's just the way of life. Let's do it again. Other side. Okay. All right, guys. Now listen, just listen to me. You weren't ready for that one. You weren't ready. We're gonna do the chest. The chest. Now the chest rolls is just simple. Just take it round like that, bring it to the center. So what you want to do is stretch your chest out. So you go to one side, stretch it out, go around to the other side, take it back, and bring it to the center. Other side. Notice what I'm doing. I'm going usually to the side, round, and center. Side, round, and center. So side, round, and center. Side, round, and center. Side, round, and center. Check it. Watch what happens to my shoulders when I'm doing that. It goes side, round, and center. Side, round, and center. Did you see the magic about my shoulders? Did you see it? Shoulders rotate in, rotate in. Okay, look at that. It's like doing a wave, you know. You know, this one, you know, Beyonce, don't do Beyonce, but you know what I'm saying? Practice that and check out the next move. All right, guys, the next one is the hips. Now check it. Now, just like doing the hip groove, just like that. Now watch how handy that comes here. All you gotta do is do the same thing like you're gonna do the hip groove, but stretch it out more to the side, bring it round and place to the center. Don't place it to the side. Okay, you wanna go round and center, round and center, round and center. Now lift your pelvis up when you do it like this. Yeah. Yeah. You guys got it? You got it?